Starting the removal of the old hot water heater. Have to make sure the gas is turned off, the water is turned off, and I will unplug the electrical. Here I disconnected the gas line. And here I'm going to disconnect the electricity. There are a couple of places I'll have to disconnect the water. I'm going to see if I can unscrew the water heater in there right now and see if I can get better access than right here. If not, then I'll just move it out a little bit and unplug it. The outside now, I'm going to have to break free of the seam of the sealant that's all around here, or it will not come out. Thank you, Latonia, for inspecting this. What I had to do is I used a putty knife, and I had to get in here and break this seal. And then when it was mostly broke, I had to pull and then go and score it. So it's on the sides and on the top, and doesn't appear the bottom's sealed that much at all. So I'll be pulling this out now. I had to cut off the top foam as it was not going to come out of the hole. So top foam's off, it should pull out now. This gas line keeps on wanting to dig in. And it's out. Same gas line. All right, it is out. See the back of it. These, my uncle, Daryl, totally disconnected these. So he just basically bypassed the hot water heater so he could have water. Now it's out. I've cleaned up some of the white stuff that was on the bottom. I can tell there's something in here eating seeds. So I'll vacuum all that out. And suck some of that styrofoam out of that gas line. I can't tell actually how to hook this up because there is no, since he bypassed it, I'm going to have to figure that out. Fun times.